Okay, we have a Quaser vertical machining center model MV154/10C, serial number 120I111243. This machine was new in 2011 and we are gonna run it for you. Machine has a FANUC OIMD control, 10,000 RPM spindle. You have a 35.4 by 19.68 T-slotted table with 30 inches of X travel, 20.8 of Y and 22.04 of Z. This machine is original paint, as I said, and we are running.
2,500.
That's 2,500 RPM. Machine also has a 30 ATC side mounted tools, and they are 40 taper cat. 5,000 RPM, very quiet.
7,500.
7,500 RPM. Simulating a tool change. Do it again. Great. Machine has super low hours, under 500, I believe. He ran the Z, now he's running the Y. And that's the X. All really quiet. Telescopic weight covers all axes. You have twin dual augers also. There's your hours. Hey, thank you for watching our video. Bop, bop.